Okay, so in this one, they give you an equation of cubic, and they don't give you any of the coefficients. A, B, C, D are all unknown, right? So there is some. They give us 2 points. We can plug that in. So let's plug the first point in. You get 6 is equal to negative 8a plus 4b minus 2c plus d. Okay. We can also plug in 2, 0. You get 0 is equal to 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d. Okay, great. There's 4 equations. There's 4 unknowns. There's only 2 equations. It happens to be pretty nice. Like, look, this lines up together, and of course the other 2 lines up. So if I actually add these 2 equations, the opposite signs will disappear. So we get 8b plus 2d is equal to 6. 4b plus d is equal to 3. Okay. Now we still clearly need more information to find out these variables. So where do we get them from? We get the other 2 conditions from doing derivative. So this is going to be 3ax squared 2bx plus c. In here, they also tell us the slope is horizontal.
So it's 0.
Right, so if I plug in negative 2, that's going to give you 12a minus 4b plus c. This is going to equal to 0. Let's call that 4. Let's call this 3. And if you plug in 2, you get 12a plus 4b plus c. It's also equal to 0. Let's call that 5. Okay, so this one, 4 and 5 is really great because a and c line up. So if we do 4 minus 5, the 12a and c will subtract each other out, and we get minus 8b is equal to 0, so b is going to be 0. Okay, so if b is 0, let's call that 6. 6 plug into 3, right? D is going to equal to 3. So do you see how we subtracted here? Like we started, for the first 2 we added. If we subtract it, actually the b and the d will go away, right? If you do 1 minus 2, it's the same signs that will cancel out. That will cancel out and that will cancel out. So you get minus 16a minus 4c is equal to 6. Okay, and you get 8a. Just divide both sides by 2. Minus 2, you get 8a plus 2c is equal to minus 3. From these 2 as well, if instead of subtracting, if you added, look, you get 24a plus 2c is equal to 0, meaning 12a plus c is equal to 0. So let's call this equation 7 and 8. And clearly we can find out what A and C is from these 2, right?
Yep.
So let's substitute 8. Actually, I didn't have to reduce this. This is actually better if you compare these 2 by elimination. If you just do 7 subtract by 8, you get 8a. 2 c's cancel out, so you get 8a minus 24a is equal to minus 3. So a is going to equal to 3 over 16. So you can plug that into equation 8. Let's call that 9. You have a lot of labels in this question. Right? But you imagine how confusing it would be if you didn't have any labels, though. It's going to be more crazy. Okay, so c is equal to minus 12a. So minus 12 times 3 over 16. divide the top and bottom by 4, and you get 9 over 4.